Hi guys, good morning. um, Typhoon Rai, that's the international name. Local name is Odette. Will be hitting Philippines, especially Visayas and Mindanao today. And in our location, it will be tonight. So barely 8 hours from this moment, so we're gonna be hit by Typhoon Rai or Typhoon Odette. So this is the scene in the farm for the typhoon. As you can see, it's very quiet, although it's gloomy. The sky is too gloomy. Actually, it rained at dawn, heavy rains. Then it stopped for a while. It's raining again, and now it stopped. So we sent the boys to the forage site to cut forages, as many as they could, so we could have stacked it for maybe 3 days until the typhoon is over. So what's left here in the farm is a forage good for 4 meals only. So probably today this could be consumed entirely today, then one tomorrow in the morning. So we really need to stack up forage for the goats, because of the typhoon we could not cut forages tomorrow and 2 days from now. So we need to really to stack up, because we do not know when this typhoon will just pass through our place. It's very quiet here. And it's too calm, so it's really scary. As you can see, the coconut leaves are not really moving. The mango leaves are not really moving. It's not moving, as if there's no wind, as if there's no sense or no signs that the typhoon is coming, except for a gloomy sky. Okay, so this is really scary, but we will see what will happen maybe 8 to 10 hours from this moment. So let me just give you a quick look inside the farm before the typhoon hits tonight. So there's now wind, leaves are moving, you see. But our goats are very quiet, they're so full. Okay, now look at the goats. They are very, very still, very quiet, very calm, calm before the storm. See? Yeah. They're really very quiet. They're so full. When those are very quiet, they're full. Nothing to worry about. 4 hours from now, they're gonna be so noisy. Again, the wind stops. Okay, so that will be it for now. We'll just update you as soon as the typhoon hits. We'll try my very best to get a video and document it, guys, here. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Thank you so much. See you again.